All right, so right now I'm going ahead to show you how I was able to do the test and pass it. Okay, all you need to do is to follow exactly all the guideline of what they ask you to do. And I want to give these tips too. All right, while doing this test, please make sure that your environment is not noisy. Make sure that you are speaking out loud. All right, I believe you can hear my voice very well. This is how you should be sounding, and you should be sounding confidently. All right, so and again, make sure that even if you don't have mic or headset, which they are going to tell you to use, try as much as you can to talk out loud. Once you finish that test, all right, they are going to check if you are able to talk out loud, if you are able to identify things they really want to know on the website. All right, so right now, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the test. Okay,
so here I'm going to click on the show task. So when I click on the show task, it says, welcome to your qualification test. To improve your chances of getting approved to conduct paid test, please make sure to do the following. Use a headset and avoid loud background noises. Read your task and questions aloud and clearly. Complete your task thoroughly and answer all questions. Impute fake information if no other details are given. Example, e.g. john@duo.com.